Disconnect the keyboard dock. Unlock and remove the card tray from the bay. Starting from the side, carefully pry open the cover. Disengage the bottom edge and separate the unit from the cover. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect and remove the LCD cable. Remove 2 screws. Disconnect and remove the pogo connector. Disconnect and remove the power button board. Disconnect the camera cable. Using a flat tool, detach the camera and remove it. Disconnect and remove the front camera. Disconnect the antenna cables. Remove 1 screw. Slide out the card and remove it. Disconnect the cable from the main board. Remove 1 screw. Remove the board. Disconnect the touch cable. Disconnect the speakers cable. Remove 3 screws. Remove the shielding. Remove 7 screws. Lift up and remove the main board. Release the speaker's cable from its enclosure. Using a thin, non-metallic wire, start from the inside corner and slowly peel off the battery. Detach the 2 speakers and remove them.